Today we're making a penguin mask. What you'll need for this craft is some paper, preferably cardstock. You'll need a pencil and a marker. You'll need something to tie your mask around your head, such as a ribbon or some yarn. You'll also need some scissors and a hole punch. To start, take some paper and draw a circle for a face and 2 smaller circles for eyes. These shapes don't need to be perfect, just make sure they're big enough to cover your face. Next, add details to your mask to make it look like a penguin. There are lots of types of penguins to choose from, and they all look different. You can use books or do a search on the internet to find what your penguin should look like. Or maybe you want to use your imagination. I'm making an emperor penguin, the king of penguins. When you're happy with the look of your penguin, you can outline it with a black marker if you like, or you can skip this step and go straight to coloring. When you're done with coloring, cut your penguin mask out. For the eyes, use a pencil to poke holes and carefully cut out the eye holes. Be sure to ask for help if you need it. Next, use a pencil or a hole punch and punch a hole on either side of your mask. Just make sure you don't punch your hole too close to the edge. Cut off some yarn or ribbon or string and thread them through the punched holes. You might want to make sure you cut off enough string and ask for help when tying the mask around your head. Now you are done. You are a penguin.